Uh, so, Science Technology Part Second. Tell me initial five chapters.
Lesson number 1, Heredity and Evolution. Second, Life Processes in Living Organism, Part 1. Third, Life Processes in Living Organism, Part 3. Part 2nd. Fourth, Environmental Management. Fifth, Towards Green Energy.
What is meant by central dogma?
Central, central dogma, the information which is stored in the DNA and which is used to synthesize the protein from our RNA is called central dogma.
Okay. So, tell me difference between transcription and translation.
Transcription and translation. The process of synthesis of mRNA from DNA occurs in transcription, and in translation, the synthesis of amino acids is found from mRNA.
So, what is meant by mutation?
Mutations. Sudden changes occur in the genes, such as any nucleotide changes its position, then we can say it is mutation.
Okay. So, explain the vestigial organ with a definition and example.
Degenerated or underdeveloped or useless organs present in the human body were known as vestigial organs. The vestigial organs which are present in human body are wisdom teeth, tailbone, ear, pinna, appendix.
Okay. Uh, do you know about do you know anything about Darwin's theory of natural selection?
The Darwin's theory of natural selection states that the all organism competes in the nature for the reproduction of their own species.
Okay. Uh, Tell me the book written by Darwin.
Species of origin.
Origin of Species.
Origin of species.
Define the term speciation.
Speciation. The progressive development of species of animals or plants is called speciation.
Formation of new species of plant or animal is called as speciation. Uh, Tell me different types of vitamins and categorize into fat soluble and water soluble.
There are the types of vitamins are A, B, C, D, E, K.
Okay,
Water soluble vitamins B and C, fat soluble A, D, K.
good. What is mean by cell division? Any describe cell division in short.
Cell division. Cell division occurs in two types, mitosis and meiosis. The cell mitosis occurs in somatic cells and stem cells. Meiosis occurs in germ cells. Mitosis is used for bone healing. An emaciated body can grow up and the development of unicellular organism.
Okay, so tell me the four phase of mitosis.
Metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and prophase.
First phase is prophase.
Uh,
Okay, good. Describe the different parts of flower. Describe or only tell the different part of flowers.
Androecium, gynoecium, calyx, corolla.
Okay. What includes in gynoecium?
Stigma, style, ovary.
Good. Uh, what is mean by surrogacy?
The formation of zygote takes place in the test tube but with the help of test tubes is called surrogacy.
Environment management. Tell me different air pollutant.
Air pollutants different air pollutants, industrial air
Gases, gases.
gases. Industrial gases,
Which gases?
sulfur, carbon dioxide,
Good.
nitrogen.
Okay, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. So tell me the example of rare species.
Rare species. Tiger and musk deer.
Red panda and musk deer.
Red panda and musk deer.
Okay. Which elements are used in nuclear fission?
Uranium and plutonium.
Thorium. Okay. Okay. Good. Can go.